For years, we were told that fat is bad. We were told it clogs arteries, causes weight gain, and increases the risk of heart disease. But here is the truth. Fat is not the enemy. The body needs fat to function. It plays a crucial role in hormone production, brain health, energy storage, and even cellular repair. Hello guys, this is Dr. Palaniappan Manikam, and today we are busting the fat myth and diving into the 5 best oils you should be using in your kitchen. So how do you know which fats to eat and which ones to ditch? First, let's clear up the confusion. Not all fats are the same. Some are incredibly beneficial, but others silently harm your health over time. Healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are found in foods like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish or good fats. These fats can lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Some like omega-3 fatty acids are even classified as essential fats because your body cannot produce them. You have to get them through your diet. Next is saturated fats. Earlier, it was considered as a bad fat, but recent studies show that it is not as harmful as it was known before. It can be beneficial when taken in moderation. Found in red meat, butter, cheese, and certain oils like coconut and palm oil. Healthy fats are great for you, but they're also high in calories, 9 calories per 1 gram. So even good fats should be eaten in the right amounts. On the other side, unhealthy fats are bad fats. It's mainly trans fats found in ultra-processed and deep-fried foods. They not only raise bad cholesterol, but also lower good cholesterol and increases the risk of heart disease. And trans fats should be avoided at all costs, and that is your French fries in a restaurant. Still confused about which oils to use? Let's break it down. Number 1, olive oil. Olive oil is one of the healthiest oil you can use. It is rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid, which lowers bad cholesterol and fights inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil is the least processed, meaning it retains the most antioxidants and nutrients. It is perfect for salad dressings, drizzling over cooked food, or dipping bread. However, it has a lower smoke point, so it is not the best choice for high heat cooking. If you are frying or roasting, refined olive oil is much better than the extra virgin olive oil, so save some money. Remember again, before choosing any kind of oil, amount matters the most. Number 2, avocado oil is another great choice. Like olive oil, it's rich in monounsaturated fats, but what makes it stand out is its high smoke point. This makes it a perfect oil for frying, sauteing, and roasting. It is also packed with vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports skin health and boosts immune function. If you enjoy crispy golden brown foods but want to make them healthier, avocado oil is an excellent alternative to ultra-processed vegetable oils. Also, it helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, making it a powerhouse ingredient in any meal. Number 3, coconut oil. It is a bit controversial. Some people swear by it while others warn against its high saturated fat content. The truth is, coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides which are quickly metabolized by the liver and used for energy rather than being stored as fat. This is why it's often linked to improved metabolism and energy levels. However, because it is high in saturated fat, it has to be used in moderation. If you're cooking with coconut oil, refined coconut oil has a higher smoke point and a neutral flavor, making it a better option for frying. If you prefer a less processed version, extra virgin coconut oil retains more of its natural antioxidants, though it has a lower smoke point. Number 4, peanut oil. It is an excellent choice if you love high heat cooking, especially frying and stir frying. It has a high smoke point, meaning it will not break down into harmful compounds when exposed to heat. It is rich in monounsaturated fats which help maintain balanced cholesterol levels and support heart health. It also contains vitamin E, which supports skin and immune function. If you have a peanut allergy, this oil should be completely avoided. It is a fantastic alternative. Number 5, sesame oil is another underrated yet powerful oil. It has been used in Asian cooking for centuries and offers a mix of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats which support heart health and help reduce inflammation. What makes sesame oil unique is its high antioxidant content thanks to compounds like sesamin and sesamol, which helps combat oxidative stress in the body. There are 2 types of sesame oil. Light sesame oil, which is suitable for high heat cooking, and toasted sesame oil, which has a rich nutty flavor and is best used as a finishing oil for dressings and marinades. Now that you know which oils are great for your health, let's talk about the ones you should limit or avoid altogether. Many people are concerned about oils like sunflower, soybean, canola, and corn oil. These oils are high in polyunsaturated fats which can break down at high temperatures and form harmful compounds. If you cannot not avoid them completely, limit the amount you consume and use it as little as possible, but it is outrightly not bad. Again, remember, the amount matters. Finally, the absolute worst fat to consume are the trans fats, which are found in ultra-processed foods, fast foods, and anything containing the term partially hydrogenated oils. Trans fats does not just raise your bad cholesterol, they also lower your good cholesterol, clog arteries, and increase the risk of heart disease. The easiest way to avoid them is by reading the ingredient labels and eliminating processed junk food as much as possible. If you want to improve your health, boost energy, and protect your heart, start by choosing the right oils. Use olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, coconut oil, or sesame oil. Remember, amount matters a lot. Seed oil is not as bad as it is getting portrayed, but you can also limit that as much as possible. Trans fats are the worst, so please stay away from ultra-processed food. Making this small change can have a huge impact on your well-being. So, what oil are you using in your kitchen right now? Are you using healthy oils, or is it time for a swap? Let me know in the comment section. Stay happy, stay gutsy. May God bless you.